In this video, we're going to show you how to use Travel SafetyCheck. On the Trip Planner page, make sure you are searching by price. Enter your destination, travel dates, and times, then click on the search button. On the flight results page, you will notice a SafetyCheck link and icons. Click on the SafetyCheck link to open Air SafetyCheck. Scroll to view airline health and safety information. Click on the X to close the pop-up window. You can hover over the icons to quickly view airline-specific COVID testing requirements and health and safety information. On the hotel search page, click the hotel, then click on the SafetyCheck icon to go to the SafetyCheck section to view neighborhood safety scores. To view more detailed information, click View Map to open up the Neighborhood SafetyCheck map. Here you can view neighborhood safety assessments for the areas near your hotel. You can also toggle between safety categories by clicking Composite Score and selecting the category of your choice. You can toggle between Safety Score Map and a COVID-19 map by clicking on the GeoSafe Scores drop-down. The COVID-19 view provides COVID-19 data broken down by county, state, and country. Lastly, you may learn more about the scores by clicking on the GeoScore icon in the top left and clicking About GeoSafe Scores. Now you're presented with the car rental page. To view safety information, click on SafetyCheck. Here you can view the car rental cleaning and sanitizing information. Click on Learn More if you want to visit the car rental company site. Click the X to close. And that's how you can view the SafetyCheck information before you book your trip. Happy traveling!